Okay, we've got some vocabulary here with slope. Fill in the blanks. If m is blank, the line goes blank from left to right. If m is blank, the line goes blank from left to right. If m is blank, the line is blank. Well, let's see. What kinds of slopes can we have? We can have 4 different kinds of slope. We only have 3 on here, so maybe we'll need to add one at the end. We can have positive slope. We can have negative slope. We can have zero slope. The last one's a little trickier, so we'll add that in a minute. Okay, if we have a positive slope, let's see what a positive slope would look like. Positive slope would look like this. So from left to right, our line is going up, upward. You can just put up. Negative slope looks like this. From left to right, it's going down or downward. A zero slope. Well, let's think about this. Slope is m, is rise over run. Well, how do we end up with a 0? We end up with a 0 if 0 is on top. We can have any number on the bottom, but 0 has to be on top. So that means our rise is 0. It's not going up and down at all. So what would a line like that look like? If it's not going up and down at all, it's going to be a horizontal line. So the line is horizontal. We're going to add one note in here. If m is undefined, the line is, well, let's look at what we did up here. We have m is equal to slope is equal to rise over run. When would we have undefined? We would have undefined if our run was 0. Doesn't matter what's on top, you cannot divide by 0. So if your run is 0, you're not going anywhere from left to right. So your line is doing this. Not going anywhere from left to right. Doesn't change at all in this direction. It only changes in this direction. So that is a vertical line. Okay, the equation of a line. What is the equation of a line with a slope of 2 that passes through the point 10, 17? Okay, we know that we have the equation of a line, y equals mx plus b, where m is our slope, b is our y-intercept, and we have x and y. Well, this point, 10, 17, every point has an x and a y. That's its address. So it's x, comma, y. So we just need to plug in and solve for b. So y equals mx plus b. Our y is 17. Our m is given to us. Slope is equal to 2. Our x is 10 plus b. So 2 times 10 is 20 plus b is equal to 17. So to solve, we subtract 20 from each side. B equals 3. So our equation is y equals 2x minus 3, because it's 17 minus 20, so it's minus 3. So y equals 2x minus 3. Okay, there's a slope of 5, and it passes through the point 3, 13. Y equals mx plus b. Our y is 13. Our m is 5. Our x is 3. And we want to find b. 13 equals 15 plus b. Subtract 15 from each side. B equals negative 2. So y equals 5x minus 2.